I'm Jingyi and this is our 9th squishy video. Today we'll have 3 squishies in this video. Okay, so let's not waste any time and start with the squishy video. Our first squishy is this Rilakkuma head squishy. And yeah, and it's a bit defected. As you can see, the side is a bit broken. Yeah. And it's hard. And here it's also defected, yeah. And it's hard to squish, but it's still soft, but it's not squishy. And the back is like broken. Yep. And it's cute. As you can see, the eyes and the nose and the ears. And the back, it's very soft, as you can see, but it's not squishy. Yeah. The bottom is very hard and the top is very soft. Yep. Okay. Now our second squishy will be this donut squishy, which has this flower and has this face on it, which I don't know what kind of face is it. And it's not defected. Yep, and it has this hole. Can fit our fingers in. Oh my god. And it's soft and only a bit squishy. As you can see, it's soft and a bit squishy. But it's way softer than the bun. No, not the bun, the Rilakkuma head bun. Yeah, it's still a bun though. So hard. And it's soft. And it's not an experiment squishies. Okay. Now our next squishy, which is our last squishy, it's this ZAQ squishy. And yeah, the color is a bit fading. And it says ZAQ. And the A is in a different color. And and Q is black. And I'm not being racist. And it's soft and squishy. And the body is so cute. And it's defected, as you can see. It's very soft and squishy too. And well, I guess the ZAQ is the squishiest among all the squishies here. And yeah, I don't know if it's a rare squishy or what. Yeah. So yeah, hope you enjoy our video of squishies, and hope you will support us in the future and subscribe to our channel. And so goodbye.